Hi, I want to show you how to turn on and off call forwarding on the Google Pixel 9a. So open up your phone app first and then tap on three dots in the top right. From here, choose Settings and find Calling Accounts. Now I want you to tap on your SIM card to see this option Call Forwarding. Now you have four options. When unreachable, so calls are forwarded if your device is out of range. When unanswered, so if you don't answer, incoming call will be forwarded to this phone number which you set here. When busy, and to always forward. If you want to turn on any of the section, then you need to tap it. From here, enter phone number to which you want to forward your calls, or tap the icon to choose a contact from the list and tap Turn On. Then after a few seconds, call forwarding for this setting will be on. You can do the same for each section in the list, but to turn off, you need to tap on the Enabled option and then tap this option Turn Off. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.